Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a new tool which we have launched in our website, cprbykgs.com. So what you have to do is you have to go to cprbykgs.com website, and on top of it, you can see a CPR calculator. So click on that. Here you can manually calculate the CPR levels. Though we are having indicator, every stockbroker is having the CPR indicator, and even you can use Excel sheets, and in many other websites the CPR calculator is available. But still, there are few people who wish to calculate manually, and there are at times, due to some broker data error or due to some trading view data error, we may get a mismatch in the CPR levels. So in those kind of emergency cases, you can calculate the CPR levels manually. So what you have to do is you have to enter the previous day high low levels, or even you can enter previous week high, previous week low, if you want to calculate a weekly CPR. And if you want to calculate monthly CPR, you can enter previous month high, previous month low, and previous month close levels, and you can calculate the CPR levels manually. So let's get started. So what I will do is I will go to daily candle to check this previous candles, previous days high, low, and close levels. So yesterday, June 10th, the high of Nifty is 23,425.35. So let me enter that, 23,425.35. And the low of Nifty is 23,184.60. So let me enter that, 23,184.60. And the close of Nifty is 23,214.95. 23,214.95. All right. So now we can see the CPR levels. It will show you the TC pivot BC levels. It will show you the CPR with the distance between TC and BC. It will show you the day range, previous day high and previous day low, the range. So if the market is trading inside this range, then most probably it is going to be a range bound day. By chance, if the market breaks this range, this 240 point range in Nifty, either if the market is breaking high or breaking low, then only we can expect a trending market. And even it will show you the CPR width, the distance between the TC and BC, the width. So it will show you the resistance and support levels as well. So let us cross check quickly in Nifty chart. Now let me go to 5 minutes chart and let me turn on my CPR indicator. So here we can see the TC level is around 23,304. And of course it's matching. And here the pivot is 23,274. It's matching. And the BC is 23,244. And that too is matching. And you can see 4 resistance and 4 support levels. You can see the formula which we have used for this calculator. And there is a CPR width classification. If the CPR width over here, you can see the CPR width. If it is less than 0.1 percentage, then it is going to be a narrow CPR. If it is above 0.2 percentage, it is going to be a wide CPR. And in between 0.1 percentage and 0.2 percentage, it is going to be a medium size CPR. And very well, you can see over here, today the CPR is wider comparing with the yesterday's CPR. Yesterday on June 10th, the CPR is somewhat medium, but comparing with yesterday's CPR, today it is obviously a wide CPR. So this is how you use the CPR indicator calculator. It is completely available for free in our website, cprbykgs.com. Do explore that and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. See you all in next video with another amazing tool. Until then, signing off, this is Gomathi Shankar. Bye.